Hello everyone, today I'm here to answer a question that often puts our customers to the test. Why are your molds so expensive? It's not something that can be explained in just a few words, so I've made this video to give you a detailed look. Let's take a look at one of our molds. This is an 8-cavity mold for the same product, and it costs us around 18,000 yuan. Now, let's compare it with a mold that one of our clients had made elsewhere. For the same product, their 4-cavity mold costs only 8,000 yuan. Can you spot the differences between these two molds? First, let's look at the products they produce. The white ones are from the mold made by another supplier, and these are from our mold. The key feature of this product is a ring of clips. Notice how the clips on the white product are damaged, while ours are clear and very well defined. Now, let's look at the differences in the molds themselves. Ours has standard, beautifully crafted sliding blocks. Take a look at how they solve the problem with their sliding blocks. See how theirs look? I won't go into why this is a poor solution, but suffice it to say that our sliding blocks are part of an automatic, simple mechanism that allows for quick production within 20 seconds. However, their mold relies on the product to pull itself out of the frame and then push it back in, which can easily damage the mold during production. As a result, the movement of their mold and the injection molding machine is much slower, taking about 30 seconds per cycle, whereas ours can complete a cycle in less than 20 seconds. Here's the real issue. Our 8-cavity mold has a lifespan of at least 500,000 cycles, while their mold can barely last 10,000 cycles before it becomes unusable. With a lifespan of 500,000 cycles, our mold can produce 4 million products. In comparison, their mold struggles to produce even 200,000 products, with each product costing about 0.2 yuan, while ours cost only 0.1 yuan per product. So, if we're producing 2 million products, our clients can save tens of thousands of yuan. So, is 18,000 yuan really expensive, or is 8,000 yuan the better deal? To put it bluntly, spending 800 yuan on their mold is a waste because it can't produce anything useful. Every cent spent on such a mold is wasted. On the other hand, our more expensive mold consistently generates profit for you every day.